Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change difficulty in Horizon Zero Dawn. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Horizon, click here on settings. And when you will be in settings, you're going to see right here in general, not in controls, not in audio. And you can choose between normal, hard, very hard, ultra hard. Like the code on Twitch is playing on ultra hard, and this is like, damn. I recommend going with the normal if you want to have like fun. And like if it's too easy for you, the normal mode, go with the hard one. But it's like up to you which one you choose. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask it down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.